What's putting guys in the fridge? Before you guys go in the fridge, I have to tell you. If I get 2 more subscribers, I'll be able to live stream. Because they saw you guys come over.